What is Gemini AI and how to use it? Let's get started. Gemini AI is a large language model being developed by Google DeepMind. It is still under development, but it is expected to be more powerful than ChatGPT. Gemini AI is being built on the technology and techniques used in AlphaGo, an early AI system developed by DeepMind. This means that Gemini AI is expected to have strong capabilities in planning and problem solving. Gemini AI is a powerful tool that has potential to be used in a wide variety of applications. Some of the potential use cases for Gemini AI include chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, data analysis, medical diagnosis, and financial trading. The model comes in 3 sizes, with each specifically tailored to address different computational limitations and application requirements: Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Nano. How can you access and use Gemini? Bard is now upgraded with Gemini Pro, which gives the chatbot more advanced reasoning and understanding among other capabilities, according to the Google. So you can head towards the website of Bard, click on the option Try Bard, click on More, click on I agree. Now you can click on Continue. Using your Google account, you will get access to Bard. Now at the bottom, you will find this box. Over here, you can enter your prompt and it will respond to you. For now, I'm gonna provide a picture and ask about it. You can use Gemini AI to create more realistic and engaging chatbots, virtual assistants, and other forms of AI-powered software. Also, it can be used to improve our understanding of the world around us by analyzing large data sets and identifying patterns and trends. So this was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about what is Gemini and how can you use it. At the end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.